Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to tell if an avocado is ripe. And I'm also going to be telling you about some tips for choosing an avocado from the store. Now, as you can see right here, I'll be outlining three simple things. The first thing is the feel of the avocado. An avocado that is ripe should give in if you press on it gently, if you squeeze on it gently. Now, the key here is to squeeze the whole area of the avocado, or I should say multiple areas of the avocado. Because if an avocado is only soft in one area, that might mean that it is bruised and it's not really ripe. If it's soft all throughout the entire avocado, top and bottom, all of the sides, then that means that it's pretty ripe and good to go. So that's the first thing. You want to make sure that you squeeze all around the avocado, and if it just gives in to a gentle push, if it's soft to a gentle push, that is what will tell you that it's ripe. The second thing is the color. Now, as you can see, these three avocados are all ripe and good to go. Now, if you see a purplish color, that means that it's ripe. If it's all completely dark purple, that might mean that it's overripe. If it's sort of a purplish color with a little hint of green, that is, in my opinion, the perfect ripeness for an avocado. Now, you can see right here, all of these are ripe. They are all purplish with a hint of green. And once again, when I was squeezing them for the first step, it allowed me to know that they're soft enough to be ripe. So step number one is squeeze the avocado. Step number two is look at the color. Step number three is look at that little stem at the top, okay? So with the stem at the top, if an avocado is ripe, it will wiggle and it will easily pop off, okay? So you can see I'm wiggling right there and it will easily pop off. That is a ripe avocado. Now, this step is, in my opinion, optional because some avocados don't have a stem, just like that one right there. But once again, if the stem will wiggle and then sort of pop off easily, just like that, then that means that the avocado is ripe and ready to go. Now, with regards to tips for choosing your avocado, it is simply that you have to judge when you need the avocado. If you go to the store and you need an avocado for tonight, then what you're going to want to do is squeeze them, okay, look at the color, and then look at try and sort of flick off any stems, and you will see, or try and wiggle any of the stems, and you will see which ones are ripe and ready for tonight. If you know that you're going to need an avocado in 3 days from now, then you want to look for one that's a little bit more green, a little bit firmer, and maybe has a stem that doesn't wiggle as much. So it's basically just planning in advance. Using these three tips and planning in advance. That is how to choose a ripe avocado, and the tips for choosing a ripe avocado. Number one is squeeze it. Feel that soft push. Number two is look at the color. And number three is use the stem as a guide. Now you can see the one at the top there is a little bit more green. It's not as ripe as the other three over there. But that's basically it. It's a very, very simple process. I have shown you how to tell if an avocado is ripe, and I have also told you about some tips for choosing an avocado. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.